Hello my dear students, good afternoon. We will continue class about the basic nature of amines. So, basic nature when increases I told if a plus I groups increases or plus N groups increases then basic nature increases. Means electron donating groups increases, basic nature increases, that is in gaseous phase. Okay, so in gaseous phase tertiary amines are more basic than secondary than primary I said. In aqueous phase means in water, so two things, one is steric hindrance and one is a hydration energy. Two factors is a reason why secondary amines are more basic. Okay, if alkyl group is methyl, then secondary, then primary, then tertiary. For other than methyl group, okay, so for ethyl groups are there in amines, then secondary, tertiary, then primary. So please remember. Okay, if alkyl groups increases, then basic character increases. In gaseous phase, no exceptionals. Okay, because in gaseous phase molecules are far, so steric hindrance and the remaining factors will be very less, negligible. Okay, so same story. If you have this CH3, so CH3 and CH2 NH2 and CH2 double bond CH and CH triple bond CNH2. So among these, who is more basic? Who is more basic? I am asking. So this is about ethanamine, but this is ethylene amine. Okay, so that is ethylamine. Okay, so here which one is more basic? I am asking. So here I am asking about what? Basic character. So this one is more basic than this, and this one is more basic than this. What is the reason behind it? See here, nitrogen means NH2 group. Okay, attached to what carbon we have to observe here. Okay, so here NH2 group attached to sp3 carbon, and here this is sp2 carbon and this one is sp carbon. Okay, so sp3 carbon means you know that percentage of S character is 25% here. How much percentage? 25%. sp3, 4 orbitals are there. Okay, so 1 by 4 into 100, 4 orbitals, 1s, so 1. Okay, percentage of S character, how to know? Just you have in chemical bonding. So how many S you have? 1. So total orbitals how many? 4. So 1 into 4 into 100. So 25%. Okay, in that here 1 by 3 into 100. Here 1 by 2 into 100. That means here you have percentage of S character. Percentage of S character 33.33%. Here a percentage of S character is 25%. So where you have more percentage? Oh shit, sorry, it's 50%. 2 orbitals na, so 50%. You remember, I think so, percentage of S character increases. Percentage of S character increases, then electronegativity increases. Electronegativity increases, then electron withdrawing nature increases. Certainly basic character what happens? Decreases. So these are very important thing. So basic character decreases. So percentage of S character increases, electronegativity increases, then electron withdrawing nature increases. If electron withdrawing nature increases, basic character what happens? Decreases. I told very clearly, basic nature is due to donation of electron pair for amines. So here electron withdrawing groups increases, then basic character increases because donating tendency, so donors required, electron donating groups required. But electron withdrawing nature increases, so basic character decreases. So here this is less electronegative, this is somewhat electronegative, this is more electronegative carbon. All three are carbons only, but this is single bonded carbon, this is double bonded carbon, and this is triple bonded carbon. Got it? So if electron donating groups increases, basic character increases, but here percentage of S character increases, electronegativity increases. So here electronegativity is more, so basic character is less. So simple, electronegativity increases, basic character less. Understood? Same even for fluorine, chlorine, like that only we can say FCH2 NH2, Cl CH2 NH2, Br CH2 NH2, and suppose ICH2 NH2. Who is more basic? Means ICH2 NH2 is more basic among these. Of course, all are withdrawing only, but you know the electronegativity of these atoms. Electronegativity, fluorine has more than chlorine, than bromine, than iodine. So this is very important. So why I given this? If electronegativity increases, then electron withdrawing nature increases, so that basic character decreases. This is about basic nature of amines. Means we discussed about aliphatic amines. Next we have to discuss about the aromatic amines, that is called aniline. Okay. Next we have to discuss aniline basic character. Have a screenshot please. Okay. Next we have to discuss about basic character of amines. Okay. So actually acidic character we discussed in previous, like phenols acidic character and carboxylic acid means benzoic acid acidic character. Okay. And now we have to discuss about basic character of aniline. What is that? Aniline. Okay, let's see. Aniline, first you write down C6H5. Okay, and here you have NH2. So here you have a lone pair. This is called what? This is called aniline actually. So this aniline resonating structures first you write down. This lone pair donation must be easy. Then basic character will be more. But of course, aliphatic amines are more basic. Suppose if you take the CH3, CH2, NH2, C6H5, NH2. So who is more basic? This is more basic. Why? C6H5NH2 is nothing but benzene ring, C6H5 means, and NH2. So here lone pair involved in resonance. So here pi bond is there actually. So here pi bond and pi bond. And lone pair come downwards and this pi bond migrate towards carbon. So lone pair involved in resonance. So benzene ring is acting as electron withdrawing group. So this definitely has less basic character than aliphatic amines. Aliphatic, no, this is ethyl amine, aliphatic amine. This is aromatic amine. Why aromatic? You know, pi bonds alternatively present, that story is different. So this aniline is aromatic and lone pair involved in resonance. Certainly lone pair have to donate some others. Sir, here also lone pair donating? No sir, no, it's not donating to others. It's a lone pair coming towards benzene ring. So lone pair is delocalized here. What's the meaning of delocalization? This lone pair migration taking place within a benzene ring. That is called delocalization. So lone pair involved in resonance or delocalization. So lone pair is not free much here. So aniline is less basic than aliphatic amines. So please remember and come to next. What are the resonating structures? Let's see. So if this lone pair came over here, this pi bond will migrate over here. Certainly what happens? So this benzene ring and two bonds you have here, and here you have a negative charge and double bond NH2. Double bond NH2 positive charge. Why on nitrogen positive charge, sir? Please tell me. Because nitrogen donated lone pair to this carbon. Certainly double bond you have and nitrogen got positive charge, and this carbon, why negative charge? This pi bond migrated towards this carbon. Okay, so negative charge. So next what happens? See this, if you observe, next this pi bond must migrate downwards. Why this pi bond must migrate downwards? Here you have a negative charge. Here it should be positive. So minus plus. So here a new pi bond, and here already pi bond is there. So negative charge at this carbon. So many times we discussed is resonating structures and double bond NH2 and positive charge here. Got it, sir, everyone? So here negative charge and here positive charge generated due to pi bond migration towards this carbon. So this carbon got negative charge and minus and plus new bond. Next, you know this pi bond must migrate upwards because here should be positive, because this carbon is negative, so here should be positive. So here you have like this and pi bond here and here negative charge and double bond NH2 and plus. Okay, next if you observe this pi bond, negative charge will go upside. So again you will have original structure 1, 2 and 3 and single bond NH2. Again lone pair retains on nitrogen. Got it? So here if you observe these resonating structures, what you have? Negative charge you have at ortho position as well as para position. Ortho, para, ortho. So NH2 group is ortho para directing. I said many times. Ortho para directing for next incoming electrophile. But this is not our topic, basic character. So this lone pair donation, when it can be easy. See, negative charges you have at ortho and para. So if you have electron donating groups, certainly more donation towards NH2 takes place. So what you can say on aniline, if electron donating groups increases, then basic character increases. If electron donating groups increases, then basic character increases at any position, but mainly ortho and para. I'll tell you what happens actually. Okay, if electron donating groups increases, then basic character increases. Why? Lone pair coming downwards. If donating groups are there, so this donating tendency will somewhat decrease. Understanding what I am saying? This lone pair coming downwards now. So at ortho, para or at meta, if electron donating groups present, then they will donate electrons towards benzene. Certainly this lone pair donation towards benzene will decrease. So that lone pair donation to others will increase certainly. So what I am saying? So if electron donating groups increases on benzene, okay, in case of aniline, then basic character increases. So who are the electron donating groups? Electron donating groups like OR, alkyl groups, OR groups or R groups, okay, or some other NH2. NH2 means that's not donating again. So OR group, R groups, these are donating groups now. So these kind of donating groups, if there, so they will donate electron pairs to benzene. Certainly, what happens? This basic nature increases. If alkyl groups are there, OR group is there, alkoxy groups we call. If they increase, so electron donating nature increases. Same, if electron withdrawing groups increases on aniline, on where? On aniline. On aniline means on benzene ring actually. In aniline, at ortho, meta, para, if electron withdrawing groups increases, then what happens? Then basic character, basic character decreases. Okay, and one more thing, the most important thing here, okay, I'll tell you now, ortho effect here also we have to discuss. So these two things first of all we have to remember. Aniline, if electron donating groups increases, basic character increases, like OR groups and R groups like that. If electron withdrawing groups on aniline increases, then basic character decreases. Electron withdrawing groups example like NO2, okay, NO2, halogens means chlorine, bromine like that, okay, and next cyanides, next COOH, okay, CHO, SO3H. If these kind of groups are there, then basic character what happens? Increase or decrease? Basic character increase or decrease? Decrease. Okay. Simple example I will give you. See this. C6H5 and NH2, and here you have a CH3 and C6H5, NH2, and here you have some COOH like that. So who is more basic? Means this one is more basic. Why? Because this CH3 is plus M group. So this COOH is minus M group. Sir, actually chlorine also plus M group only no sir. But due to electronegativity it withdraws electrons. So we have to consider it as electron withdrawing group. Okay, so plus M or group minus M group instead. You can say this is electron donating group, or COOH is electron withdrawing group. So what I said, if electron donating groups increases, then basic character increases. If electron withdrawing groups increases, then basic character decreases. Understood? So here, again write down please. So here we have to discuss some examples now. Ortho effect in previous also we discussed. What is that? If you observe the COOH, carboxylic acid in that benzoic acid, if you have any donating group or withdrawing group at ortho position, what position it is? Ortho position. At the ortho position, any X group, if it is electron donating group or electron withdrawing group, then acidic character will decrease acid. Sorry. Acidic character increases acid in previous. In case of carboxylic acids, benzoic acid at ortho position, if any group is there, electron donating group is there or electron withdrawing group is there, and acidic character, what happens? I said it will increase. What is the reason? Because of steric hindrance. Okay. Suppose here C double bond O after loss of H plus. Acidic character means after loss of H plus na. So here O minus, and here some NH2 you have. So some N double bond O you have like this, or some CHO you have, N double bond O and H, N double bond O like this. Okay. So what happens? Acidic character increases. Ortho position, if electron donating group or electron withdrawing group, because if hydrogen is there here, okay, so here between these some repulsion takes place. So afterwards it will be stabilized due to resonance. So if electron donating groups or electron withdrawing groups at ortho position is there in benzoic acid, then acidic character increases. Correct? But in case of this aniline, okay, if you have any group, either electron donating group or electron withdrawing group, certainly what happens, if this group at ortho position you have, at ortho position, if you have, whether this X group is electron donating group or else electron withdrawing group, then what happen, basic character decreases. Okay, so very clear one note I will give you here. Ortho substituted aniline, okay, is less basic even than aniline. This is very, very important. What I said here, listen carefully. If any group here, so ortho substituted, but ortho substituted whether it is electron donating or electron withdrawing group, if present at ortho position, then basic character decreases. Do you know one more thing? Ortho substituted aniline is less basic even than normal aniline. Understanding? So what I am saying here, if electron withdrawing group or electron donating group present at ortho position, I repeat, if electron donating group or electron withdrawing group present at ortho position on aniline, then basic character decreases due to steric repulsion, same reason. So that lone pair is not much free to donate, certainly basic character decreases. Simple reason, steric factor. Lone pair cannot be donated easily. Understood? So here due to decrease the repulsions, it will lose hydrogen easily. So acidic character increases due to Ortho effect. Due to Ortho effect in benzoic acid, acidic character increases. But due to Ortho effect, okay, basic character decreases. Understanding? So lone pair is not much free here. Very clearly. So why? Sir, lone pair, if they have repulsions, lone pair can go away, no sir? Lone pair won't go away. It's not going 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers. Some group have to approach. This lone pair must form a day 2 bond with some H plus like that. So this H plus cannot approach easily because between these two you have some repulsions. So repulsions increases. So other groups cannot approach to take this lone pair. Understanding? So like that, here lone pair is not much free due to Ortho effect. So I given clear note here, very important. Due to Ortho effect, okay, basic character decreases for aniline. So what is that? I was given here. Ortho substituted aniline is less basic even than aniline. Then ortho substituted may be electron donating or electron withdrawing. Whatever. Actually, see, the interesting thing is C6H5, NH2, methyl is there, okay, and simple aniline is there, okay. So NH2. So I said in previous, just a few minutes back I said, if this methyl group is actually what? Electron donating group. Previously I was given, if electron donating groups increases, then basic character increases. Then it should be more basic, na? But due to Ortho effect, this is more basic. Understood? What is the reason behind it? Ortho effect. Even electron donating group is there. Due to repulsions, this lone pair cannot form a day 2 bond easily. Do you remember Lewis acid base theory? Lone acid accept a lone pair and base donate a lone pair and form a dative bond. So base form dative bond with acid. So this lone pair donation is not easy. Correct what I said? So here due to repulsions, even electron donating group is there. This is less basic. See, observe everyone. One more example I will give. Same story. Aniline I am taking, but I am taking nitro group. But still, that aniline is, of course, here okay, electron withdrawing group is there. Then basic character will increase. But electron donating group is there. Basic character increase I said. But still, due to Ortho effect, still if you have electron donating group, here this compound has less basic. Okay, this is toluidine, orthotoluidine, write down orthotoluidine. So this is less basic than this even electron donating group attached. Okay, then say this example here, that same. Okay, ortho substituted aniline is less basic than this aniline. This is aniline, either electron donating or electron withdrawing. So Ortho effect is very important. That's why I mentioned here clearly. So if Ortho effect increases, Ortho effect is there, then basic character what happened? Decreases. This I said at Ortho. If electron withdrawing groups increases, then at Ortho position electron donating group or electron withdrawing group is there, then basic character decreases. Please note it down. Okay. So what is the final clarity? Ortho substituted aniline is less basic. Less basic or strong basic? Less basic, weak base. Okay, and now I'll tell you some examples for this aniline. Okay, so remember, if electron donating groups are there, then para isomer is more basic. If electron withdrawing groups are there, then first aniline, then meta is more basic. So please remember these 2 points. Okay, sir. So what I said, if electron donating group present on aniline, then para isomer is more basic. Para after ortho you are thinking? No. If electron donating group is there, para, then meta, then ortho. Okay, before ortho you have aniline, because ortho substituted is the least basic. Even the electron donating or electron withdrawing group attached. Why slowly I am telling, few people will confuse here. What they think electron donating group is there, basic character is more. No, ortho position is exceptional. Understood? So, if electron donating group is present on aniline, then para isomer is more basic, then meta, then normal aniline, then ortho substituted. Simple. Okay? Para, meta, aniline and ortho. Simple example I will give. C6H5 and NH2 you have. If methyl is there, CH3. C6H5 and NH2 and CH3 here. In C6H5, simply NH2, aniline. C6H5, NH2 and CH3 here. Orthotoluidine, metatoluidine, aniline, paratoluidine, metatoluidine, aniline, orthotoluidine. See, this methyl group is electron donating group or electron withdrawing group? Electron donating group. So, this donating towards benzene. Certainly, lone pair is somewhat free to donate. So, para is more basic. So, as I said in previous, electron donating groups increases, then basic character increases, but not ortho. This is due to what effect? Ortho effect. Ortho effect you have to consider. Okay, so here this is the order. So first para, actually ortho must be here, but para, meta, normal aniline. Okay, normal aniline means without any substituent, and orthotoluidine. Ortho substituted is the least basic. Okay, so if next electron withdrawing group increases. Electron withdrawing group present at this point, like remember. Okay, so if electron withdrawing group present on aniline now we are considering. Okay, so aniline basic character. So on aniline, here if electron donating group present on aniline, para, but here simple first aniline, because you know this. Electron withdrawing groups increases, then basic character decreases. So first aniline. So without any electron withdrawing group, then meta. Then what? Meta. Because at meta no negative charge. So to withdraw there is no negative charge at meta. So positive charge is there. That's why I given resonating structures in previous. Where you have negative charge in resonating structures at ortho and para. Okay, so meta position there is no negative charge to withdraw. Electron withdrawing group present. So electron withdrawing groups cannot withdraw anything because at meta position there is no negative charge. So understanding everyone? So meta, then para, then ortho substituent. These two things you must remember. So why meta? See, some NO2 group is there here. So here if you have NH2, write down resonating structures if you want. So please write down like this. Coming either like this and coming like this. What charge is coming here? At meta, positive. Where you have negative charge? At ortho and para. So positive charge you are getting at meta. So NO2 it cannot withdraw. What it will withdraw because it's positive charge. So withdrawing nature is less in case of meta. That's why withdrawing nature if decrease, then basic character increase. What I said? Electron withdrawing group increase, then basic character decrease. But here withdrawing nature is less in case of meta, therefore basic character is more than para. But in case of para position, if you see C6H5, NH2 and some NO2 group is there, lone pair will donate downwards like this. So here you will get negative charge. There is a charge to withdraw. There is a charge to withdraw. Negative charge means more rich. So that can be withdrawn by NO2. So withdrawing nature is more at para. So withdrawing nature is more than basic character is less. That's why para has less. Then ortho vice are very less means I said whether electron donating or withdrawing, ortho substituent is least basic. So if electron withdrawing group is there, then aniline, then meta, then para, then ortho. Understood? Then how? See. Aniline C6H5NH2 is more basic, then meta. This is meta-nitroaniline, meta, and this is para-nitroaniline, and like this, and simply ortho next. C6H5 here NH2, and here you have NO2 there. Aniline, example I was given here. Aniline is more basic, then meta, then para, then ortho. So this is about the basic character. Even if chlorine is there, this way only. Chlorine is electron withdrawing, so first aniline, then meta, then para, then ortho. Chlorine is withdrawing or not, like that. If any withdrawing is there, like this example. If any electron donating group is there, like this one, or else one more NH2 is there. NH2 also like NH2. Is also like electron donating because that is donating lone pair to benzene or not? Yes. If electron, who are the electron donating groups means in previous I was given OR, R, NH2 like this. These are there, then para isomer is more basic like that. Please note it down and I will give you few more examples later on. So please write it down and we will enter into preparations in our next class. Thank you.